My dear friends, welcome to Rajasekhar classes on formal languages and automata theory. This is lecture number 66. In this lecture, we will try to understand LR0 grammar or SLR grammar. Basically, this LR0 parser, anyway, you can understand what is parser, what is LR0 parser, how it is useful in a subject compiler design. Time being, let me explain like this. This is basically a parsing technique. What is parsing? Parsing means constructing a parse tree. This parsing, this LR0, error detection in LR parsing is very quick. LR0 item is a production G with a dot at some position or right on the right hand side of the production. Anyway, I will explain these things with one example problem. Let me proceed further. If I solve a problem, after solving problem, I request you to go through this theory so that you can understand this theory. Therefore, first let me solve the problem. Before solving the problem, I already explained what is L, what is R, and what is this 0 indicates. Basically, this is shift reduce parser. Maybe a few terms you may not be able to understand, but in future classes in a subject known as compiler design, you can understand all this terminology. I request you to go through this theory after discussing a problem. Let me explain this LR0 parsing technique with the help of a simple problem. Construct LR0. There is another name for LR0 is SLR, parsing table for the grammar. This one is given grammar. Procedure, according to procedure, I must construct a grammar, augmented grammar G dash. This is given grammar G, isn't it? Now let me construct an augmented grammar. How can I construct? What is the starting symbol in this grammar? Capital E is the starting symbol. Therefore, introduce one new production. Capital E goes to E, isn't it? Just identify starting symbol of the grammar. Here E is the starting symbol. Just augment one more new production as E starting symbol. Just introduce production like this. E dash goes to E. And all other production just I am copying. E goes to E plus T. Just see E goes to E plus T. E goes to T. Yes, I am writing E goes to T. T goes to TF. Yes, I am writing T goes to TF. T goes to F. Yes, T goes to F. F goes to F star. F goes to F star. F goes to A. Yes, F goes to A. F goes to B. F goes to B. Just I am copying the productions. Nothing more than that. But I introduced one more new production. E dash goes to E, and I am calling this entire grammar as G dash. This is known as augmented grammar. Now, we will try to construct items. First, let me construct item I0. I0 is constructed by putting a dot at the leftmost position in the yield for all the productions. What does it mean? It is simple and straightforward. How will it be? Just take first production, E dash goes to E. What is my E dash goes to E? I am writing like this. E dash goes to, I am putting dot in before this E. Just see this one. Second production, E goes to E plus T. How am I writing? Just I am keeping dot in front of E. E dash goes to dot E plus T. So in similar manner, I am writing all other productions. E goes to T, E goes to dot T, T goes to TF, T goes to dot TF, T goes to F, T goes to dot F, F goes to F star, F goes to dot F star, F goes to A, F goes to dot A, F goes to B, F goes to dot B. Just I am keeping dot in front of each letter on right hand side and on the first symbol, isn't it? I think you can understand. This is known as I0. This particular, all these productions can be treated as I0 productions. Now, how can I construct I1? It is simple and straightforward. Just consider I naught. After dot, you have a symbol E. Therefore, what I have to write? Go to I naught comma E. Why am I writing E? Why? Because after dot I have a letter known as capital E. Therefore, I must write go to I naught comma E, isn't it? Therefore, I am writing go to I naught comma E. What is this production will become? How will it become? I must move this dot right hand side of this particular variable. Therefore, it becomes E dash goes to E dot. Just see, E dash goes to E dot. Now, go to I naught comma E. Here also I have capital E letter. Therefore, I must move this dot on right side. E goes to E dot plus T. Just see, E goes to E dot plus T. After move, is there any letter capital E with left hand side dot symbol? There is no other letter. Yes. Now, after moving this one, after dot, do you have any capital letter? No, you don't have any capital letter. After moving this dot on right hand side of this capital E, do you have any capital letter? Yes, I have here plus, but plus is not variable. It is terminal, isn't it? As it is does not have any production. Therefore, I need not bother. Now, how many productions we have got? Here we have got these two productions. Let me say I naught is already completed. Let me name this one as I1. Now we completed for E. After E, which letter is there? After E, I have letter T. After dot, you have T. Therefore, earlier we were writing I naught comma E. Now I must write I naught comma T. E completed. Therefore, I naught comma T. I must move this dot on right side of this capital T. E goes to T dot. This becomes E goes to T dot. Just move this dot right side. T goes to T dot F. Just see, T goes to T dot F. I am moving this dot on right side of this capital letter. After moving this dot, you have got a capital letter F. Therefore, I must check is there any productions for F. How can I check? Just after moving this dot, I am getting capital F. I must check productions of capital F. How can I check? Just see, productions of capital F are F goes to dot F star. Just I am copying this. See, I am copying. Simply I am copying this. Why am I copying? After dot I am getting capital letter. If I get capital letter, just copy the productions from I naught. Just I am copying the productions from I naught. Now let me rename it as I2. Now we completed letter E. We completed letter T. Now which letter is there? E is completed, E is completed, T is completed. Now I have F. Therefore, what should I write? What I must write? I must write go to I naught comma E is completed, I naught comma T is completed. Now I must consider I naught comma F. Just see, if I write go to I naught comma F, this dot will move right side. T goes to F dot and F goes to F dot star. After dot, you don't have any variable or capital letter. Therefore, just see this one. Go to I naught comma F. T goes to F dot. F goes to F dot star. After dot, you don't have any capital letters. Previous production is I2. Now this must be I3. Now, which letters we completed? We completed F. We completed F in sense E is completed, T is completed, F is completed. Now I must consider A and B. Therefore, I must say I naught comma A. I naught comma A means F goes to A dot. That F goes to A dot. Just see this one, F goes to A dot. Let me say this is I4. Now which letters we completed? E completed, T completed, F completed, A completed. Now let me consider B. I naught comma B means F goes to B dot. F goes to B dot means that is I5. Now what does it mean? We completed of all letters in I naught. Now let me consider I1. What about this one? This dot is reached into final state. What does it mean? I cannot move this dot further. What about this one? Dot. After dot, I have plus letter. Therefore, I can write go to I1 comma plus. If I write go to I1 comma plus, this dot must be moved on right hand side of plus. Therefore, it becomes E goes to E plus dot T. Just see, E goes to E plus dot T. After dot, you are getting capital letter. Therefore, I must write all productions of capital T from I naught. These are the productions for capital T in I naught. Just go back and check. T goes to dot TF is there, T goes to dot F is there. Just check in my previous slide. After cap dot, even I am getting capital F. Again, write all the productions of capital F from I naught. These are the productions of capital F in I naught. Let me say this is I4, now it becomes I6. Now we completed for I1, means I1 comma plus is completed. In a similar manner, I must consider I2 comma F. I2 comma F means what? T goes to TF dot. Just see, T goes to TF dot, isn't it? I2 comma F. Just check from previous slide. I2 comma F means, just see, I2 comma F. F means what? T goes to TF dot. This dot must be moved on right hand side of the F. I2 comma F. Again, I must move this dot right side. F dot star. Just see, F dot star. This is I2 comma F. In similar manner, in I2, just go back and check I2 comma, we completed I2 comma F. Now I must also complete I2 comma A and I2 comma B. If I complete I2 comma A and I2 comma B, I am getting, in the case of I2 comma A, I am getting F goes to A dot, but it is already named it as I4. Just I am rewriting I4. I2 comma B, I am getting F goes to B dot. It is already named as I5. Just you need not write separate name as it is already there, isn't it? Now we completed I0, I1, I2. In similar manner, just consider I3. Fortunately, we have productions for I3 here only. What does it mean? This dot is reached into final state. Now, which one I must consider? This after dot I have star, therefore I3 comma star. Just see, I3 comma star. I3 comma star means what? This dot must be moved right side, F star dot. Just see, F star dot. This is, let me say, I8. Next, I3 we completed. What about after I3? I4, it is already reached into in final state. I need not write anything. I cannot move this dot further as there is no letter symbol on right hand side of this dot. Even I cannot move this dot. Why? Because it is already reached in its final state. Now I must consider I6. What about I6? After dot I have T. Therefore I6 comma T. I6 comma T means what? This dot must be moved right side. E goes to E plus T dot. I6 comma T means what? T goes to, I must move this dot right side of capital T. Therefore T goes to T dot F. Again after dot I am getting capital letter. Therefore I must write all the productions of capital F from I0. That's what I am doing. Just I am writing all the productions of capital F from I0, isn't it? I6 comma T we completed. Now let me choose some other color. Yes. Now I6 comma T we completed. I6 comma F, it's I6 comma T is completed. After that, let me say I6 comma T. Next, I must write I6 comma this T is completed. T is completed. If I say I6 comma F, what will I get? T goes to F dot, isn't it? T goes to F dot. Yes, I6 comma F. Here I am writing this. I6 comma F. Yes. How can I write I6 comma F means what? T goes to F dot. I must move this dot on right hand side. F goes to F dot star. Just see, F goes to F dot star. This is already in I3. Just check it out. Just same I3 we are getting here. Yes, I6 comma T we completed. I6 comma T we completed. I6 comma F we completed. Isn't it? Even if I write I6 comma A, what will I get? I6 comma A means F goes to A dot. F goes to A dot, it is already there in I4. I6 comma B, if I write, what will I get? F goes to B dot, it is already in I5. If you consider I7, what will you get? I7, it is already in final state dot. Here what it says, I7 comma I7 after dot you have star, therefore I7 comma star. I7 comma star means what? What does it mean? I7 comma star means this dot must be moved on right side. F goes to F star dot. Anyway, dot is reached into final state. This is I8. Let me say we completed I7 also. This is now let me name it as I8. We in previous step, just see here, we completed till I7. Let me say this one is I8. Next, what will I say? Anyway, I already explained these productions. In this manner, if you keep on writing, after some stage, all the items will be repeated. At most, even if you keep on writing, items will be repeated. You won't get new items. Therefore, I must stop here itself. Therefore, how many items we have got? We have got 9. I0 to I9 means I can say 10 items. From above productions, I must form go to graph. Just check I0 on E. Just see in my previous slides, I0 on E, we are getting I1. Just go and check in my previous slides. I will show otherwise. I0 on E, I1. Just see I0 on E. This is I0 on E. I am getting I1. I0 on T. I am getting I2. Just remember, I0 on E, you are getting I1. I0 on T, you are getting I2. Just see. I am writing same thing here. I0 on E, I am getting I1. I0 on T, I am getting I2. Just go and check in my previous slides. I0 on F, I am getting I3. I0 on A, I am getting I4. I0 on B, I am getting I4. Just this particular graph is known as go-to graph. I am constructing this go-to graph from previous slides. Just I am rewriting all those things in the form of graph. Just go back previous slides and check. You can find all these things. Now, after this, now we will try to understand what is follow. In order to construct a parsing table, I need what is follow. This one is given original grammar. We have to construct follows for capital letters. Capital letters in the sense variables. What are the variables here? ETF. Therefore, I must construct follows for these capital letters. Let me consider one by one. Let me try to identify follow of E. What is my first production? E goes to E plus T, isn't it? What is my follow of E? Which one is following E? E goes to E plus T. Follow of E is plus, isn't it? A dollar, I must keep dollar in the follow of each variable. That is rule. Therefore, there is a rules for constructing follows. According to those rules, dollar is always present in follow of all variables. Therefore, E goes to E plus T. Which one is following E? E plus is following. Therefore, I am writing follow of E is plus. I must always write dollar. Therefore, I am writing dollar. We completed follow of E. Now, let me construct follow of T, isn't it? Now, how can I write? E goes, I have production, E goes to E plus T. Just see, I have production, E goes to E plus T. Now, there is a production, E goes to T. Do you have production, E goes to T? Just see, this is production, E goes to T. As E goes to T, I can replace E by T. I need follow of T. Therefore, which one is following T? Plus is following. I am writing plus. No, sorry. I must, where can I write? I must write, yes, T goes to, follow of T is plus. E goes to E plus T. Let me explain again. E goes to E plus T. There is a production E goes to T. Just write, let me write E goes to T. In the place of E, I can write, according to this production, in the place of E, I can write T. Which one is following T? Plus is following. Therefore, I am writing this plus. Now, T goes to TF. You have production as T goes to TF. I need follow of T. Therefore, F goes to A. In the place of F, I can write A as F goes to A. Which one is following T? A is following. Just I am writing A. T goes to TF. I have production F goes to B. Yes, I have production. In the place of F, I can write B. Therefore, yes, I have production T goes to TF. Yes, in the place of F, I can write B as F goes to B. Which one is following T? B is following. Therefore, I am writing B. In all, in the follow of each variable, dollar must present. Therefore, I am writing dollar. Now, we will try to identify follow of F. How can I identify? Just let me write E goes to E plus T. This is my first production. And anyway, there is another production, E goes to T. Just I am writing E goes to T. In the place of E, I can write T. And T goes to F. Yes, there is a production, T goes to F. I can write T goes to F. Which one is following F? Plus is following F. Therefore, follow of F is plus, isn't it? Now, again, T goes to TF. This T goes to TF. Again, T goes to F. There is a production, T goes to F. In the place of T, I can write F. There is another production, F goes to A. F goes to A. follow of f is a, follow of f is a, isn't it? T goes to capital F and f in the place of f, f goes to b, in the place of f I can write f goes to b, therefore follow of f is b. Even there is a production, yes, I must write here, this must be the b, not this b, this is follow of f, yes. Again, f goes to f star, f goes to f star means which one is following f, star is following, therefore I must write dollar in all in the follow of each variable, therefore I am writing dollar in the follow of f. Just you can understand this, yes. Now I am constructing a table. How can I construct how many items we have got? Totally 10 items whose name is I0 to I9. Just right, I am writing this I0 to I9. And what are the terminals in this grammar? Plus is terminal, star is terminal, A is terminal, B is terminal, dollar is also terminal. What are the capital letters? E, T, F are capital letters. Just go back and check in your go-to graph earlier which we formed. I0 on A, I0 on A, we have I4. Just go and check I0 on A. Just see, this is I0 on A, I4. I4 means just write S4. Shift 4, just see, this S4. I0 on B, just check in go to graph, there is I5, therefore I am writing S5, shift 5. I0 on E, just go back and check in your go to graph, there is I1, therefore I am writing 1. I0 on T, you had I2, just go back in go to graph and check, there is I2, therefore I am writing 2. I0 on F, I am writing 3. Why? Because I3 is there in go to graph. Just go back and check. If you want, just see I0 on F. Just see I0 on F is I3. I0 on F is I3. Therefore, I0 on F I am writing 3. Isn't it? I1 on dollar accept. Why should I write here accept? Here in I1, what is the starting symbol for this grammar? E is starting symbol for this grammar. Isn't it? Just say this is I1. Where is this? This is I1. Which one is starting symbol of the original grammar? E. It is just say E is stating, E is reaching to its final state in this particular item only. E dot means I cannot move this dot further. Means it is reached its final state. Which one is reached? E is state. E is reached its final state. What is E? E is starting symbol of the grammar. In which state it is reached into final state? In I1. Therefore, 1 comma dollar is accept. Just I am writing 1 comma dollar accept. What is the reason? Just see 1 comma dollar accept. Why? Because in I1 only your starting symbol reached to its final state. This you can understand. SSU, S4, S5, S4, 1, 2, 3, 7, all these things. All these things means which one you can understand. You can understand, let me say like this. You can understand S4, S5, 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, S4. All these things just refer go to graph. Just if you refer go to graph, you can understand without any ambiguity, isn't it? Now we will try to understand other things. Before understanding, let me explain one simple concept. Just say E goes to E plus T dot. There is a production I9. Just go back in your previous slides, check I1. In that I9, sorry, I9. In I9, there is a production E goes to E plus T dot. Why am I considering this particular production as this is reached into final state? Reaching in final state means this dot cannot move further, isn't it? I cannot move this dot further, isn't it? As there is no other letter to move, as it is reached to final state, I am considering this particular production. Now, in which item this particular production is present? In I9. Therefore, I must write action of I9 means state number I must write. Follow of this production starts with capital E. I must write follow of E. Just we calculated in my previous slide. Follow of E means plus comma dollar. Go back and check. Follow of E means what? Just see. Follow of E means plus comma. Just see. This is follow of E means plus comma dollar. Therefore, action of 9 comma follow of E is this grammar starts with E. Therefore, I must write plus comma dollar. 9 comma plus 9 comma dollar. In 9 comma plus in 9 comma dollar, I must write E goes to E plus T. Just see 9 comma plus 9 comma dollar. This is 9 comma plus 9 comma dollar. I must write E goes to E plus T, isn't it? E goes to T dot. This is also reached into final state as I cannot move this dot. It is present in I2. Action of state number. State number is 2. Follow of E. What is follow of E? Just now I discussed. That is plus or dollar. 2 comma plus 2 comma dollar. I must write E goes to T. Just see. 2 comma plus. This is 2 comma plus. This is 2 comma dollar. I must write E goes to T. In similar manner, T goes to F dot is in I3. Action of state number 3 comma follow of T. Follow of T means we discussed in our previous slides. Plus AB dollar. 3 plus 3AB 3A 3B $3. I must write T goes to F. Just see, this is the production. T goes to F. 3 plus 3A 3B $3. This is 3 plus 3A $3. 3B $3. I am writing T goes to F. In that manner, you can understand this parsing table. Thank you very much.